This is my daily repair routine. Foaming cleanser. Brush. %85% cleaner with this brush. Then rinse with warm water. And then you switch out the head for the massage head, and you take your repair lifting serum, smooth on your skin and your neck. And then this helps to tighten and tone. Like a massage. And then you take your day cream, and it dispenses out the top. A lot of people want to know how to make that work. One application comes out the top. You never have to put your fingers or your nails down into the cap. It has SPF of 30 in it. So this is preparing me for the environment and the sun outside. Notice I do everything to my neck that I do to my face. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish with the eye cream. It has a metal tip and a little hole in the center. I'm gonna dispense just enough for my eye area, and I'm actually gonna use the tip. It helps with puffiness and swelling. And literally, that's your daily routine. Do you see how fast that is? Okay, at night, the only difference is you use the night cream that has retinol in it. In the daytime, you use day cream with SPF of 30. So, what are you waiting for? Great skin is right around the corner.